Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. We have a manufacturing and processing of shoes and bag factory tomorrow. So the schedule of interview is tomorrow, June 15. That will be Saturday. We are looking for 5 people for this. This is located in Yoshikawa City in Saitama. And the salary for this is from 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen. And there will be a bonus also. So from previous they are paying for the visa, but this is again scheduled for interview tomorrow. So please, if you are willing to apply for this manufacturing and processing of shoes and bags, you can comment down below. You can also call our office number at 0362068058, or you can directly call me for more information at my personal number at 08051439045. My name is Ashana. So again, this is for interview tomorrow, so please be here at 12 o'clock. Thank you.